Good morning, guys. Like the title says, just survival mode. Don't really care to trade much. So, just want it to happen normally, organically. Take a few trades, and if I'm onto something with reading the market correctly and not getting stopped out, because I've been reading the market correctly, it's just getting stopped out every time. Then we'll start working on some other evals. For now, this is all we got, and that's all I'm keeping for now. This is how you are financially responsible in prop firms. When you don't trade well, don't just keep buying accounts. That's the risk management. Very low volatility so far. Yeah, the opens have been just super choppy. No, it's not gonna probably go. Yeah, the opens have been just extremely choppy. It's all-time highs. It seems like it's always that's the case. Yeah, like what is this fucking price action? Terrible. Yeah, I have no idea why sometimes the opens are like this. It happens throughout the year where literally the open is just an absolute no event. That's where the opening range trade does not work because the range does not expand. If that makes sense. I got the ORB yesterday, but it's just not the right market for it. So you got to be careful. See how the open is delayed by like 2 minutes. Basically, that's what this tells me. Like if you can't look at the chart and see where the market opened, that's when the ORB is sketchy. You should be able to tell without looking at time when the market opened, just on the visual aspect of the candlesticks. It's kind of like uncertain. Is this a bounce and then we go lower? Or is this really just going to freaking make new highs? That'd be something. See if we could get 620s. Good morning, Bella. Sean, good morning. Hope you guys have a better than I am. Better month than I am. But I'm keeping myself busy. I'm not even thinking about it. I went through this so many times. It's not even worth stressing. Do I get mad? Yeah, but do I get stressed? No. Am I worried about not being able to make money ever again? No. In the beginning, yeah, you're like, oh, I don't know if I could trade this anymore. Well, red days are they're not nothing. They're blowing all my accounts. So there's something, right? There's something about the red days that is affecting me big time, because now I don't even feel like trading, to be honest. Like, do you think I want to do evals right now? No. I would absolutely rather not trade at all right now, which is a very rare feeling for me. And I might have to do that. If I blow all these accounts, I might have to take a few days off, which I did in December. Just to kind of like refresh. See, like, why couldn't we go to 620? You know, that's the little differences right now in the market that I'm noticing is, why couldn't we go to 620, right? It's the frustration. Basically, I'm looking for a perfect trade and I just can't get it because we are not getting to the levels. Like, why couldn't we get to the level like we did here? You know, that would have been an easy $600, $700, $800 winner. And then we are mentally preparing ourselves for a better day. Right now, it's like, well, again, tried everything I could to do the right thing, and again, it just does not give it to me. So, you know, I'm just giving up on the market for now. It's been a long month. Seems like it's been there was an earthquake in Philippines. See, stuff like that's more important. Huh, this is crazy. Against momentum. Um, yeah, for sure. If you don't understand that, it's because I'm a reversal trader, not a trend trader. So I want to trade the V-shaped reversal. That's my favorite type of price action. And it's not your job to understand that, because I don't understand how you could chase a trending market, you know? So like, I'll never understand that either. So it's not really our job to understand every strategy. It's just our job to understand the strategy that makes you money and makes you happy. Imagine I went with the momentum on this candle here, would have been screwed. Right? So that's how I always think. And sometimes obviously it keeps going, but I always am afraid of, if I short this breakdown, I'm gonna get ripped apart. That's all it is. Simplistic, doing good. You should have your account, by the way. Let me know if you got the TPT account. TRADEIFY has a 40% sale. Is that a good sale? I think so, right? Knicks lost yesterday. That was disappointing. Damn, what a market we're having, boys. I'm thinking about buying $10,000 in SpaceX, the IPO. See what happens. If I double it, I would sell half or something. I don't know, and then keep the other for long term. When is it going? The craziest thing for me though is I always thought SpaceX was already, and I was already trading. What's SPC? Oh, it's Virgin Galactic. That's what it was. Super overvalued. Well, I don't really care about the value. It's every other rocket's exploding, and no one can do what they do. So maybe the hype will get it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I don't really like trading stocks that way. And the way things are going for me right now, that 10,000 could turn into 5,000 really fast. And then I'm gonna say to myself, how many prop firm accounts could I have bought? But someone said trading against momentum. Where is the momentum right now? Right? Every time you talk about momentum, you always could change the time frame and change the momentum. You know, is the momentum up or is the momentum down? You know, you look here, is the momentum down? This is just a dead cat bounce. Or are you going to look at these two candles and say momentum's up? So it's always relevant to the time frame that you look at. I'm almost done with clearing the back of my wood. So my property is lined with pine trees. Shout out to Pine Tree Trader. And behind it was a big mess, like, you know, overgrown stuff. It's basically like woods. My other neighbor owns the property, and she doesn't really want to sell it. They want to build stuff there, but well, I didn't plan on doing that. But when I got the machine, I tried to start cleaning it, and it was going really well. So I ended up cleaning all of it. So almost done with that. Second dumpster is almost full. I'm still waiting for the garage permits. That's what's holding me next. What a nice move. Yeah, we'll try 780. If not, we'll do 820. Barely used the chipper yesterday. My neighbor came out. So I have a very old neighbor that I barely see. I see her daughter all the time, but she's a very nice, sweet Italian lady. And we talked. When I got everything ready for the chipper, she came out and she was telling me she's never seen such a hardworking man. Young man. I'm always outside. And she was actually like, oh, I love all the noise. So we talked for 2 hours. So basically I had to go return the chipper. So I only used it for like an hour yesterday. And I realized it's so much more work chipping the stuff than just dumping it into a dumpster. I'd rather pay more money and just have it hold away than using a chipper. Chipper is so much work. Everything, because it's brush, so everything gets tangled. And you're fighting the branches, and it's just... Well, we just blew something. I don't know what we blew. Lucid? Yeah. Goodbye, Lucid evals. I've had them for like 15 days. Well, I got some news for you guys. 780 didn't work. Maybe it's time to just stick to longs all the time. Maybe that's the way to go about things. Just just long the market every time. I think that's the best option. It might recover fully. Okay. Stop's got to be 1500. We don't need no violations. See what happens. White 850. What's that 850? If I get stopped out here, I got to decide if it reverses. Do I re-enter? because it's been doing that a lot for me. Damn, what a squeeze. All right, we're gonna probably re-enter. If it fails, if it does not, yeah, just again, just not reading the market very well because I wanted a long here and I didn't get it. So for me, this type of trading is just gambling. For me, this type of comment deserves a ban. So you could go and F yourself, Bernard. Hope you have a great day. He didn't say anything when I was making $70,000 last month and I traded the same exact way, did he? Found out the Brazil national team is Morristown. Yeah. Yep, they were there for a while. See how I get stopped out every fucking time to the tick? It's crazy how I get stopped out like that every single time. But whoever called the 850, I hope he took that. That's pretty good. Bernard's been around for a long time too. I know the name, but I really don't give a shit. I don't need comments like that in my life. So if he's okay hating on me, I'm just gonna ban him, and he's gonna be okay with that too. He could go watch someone else. Plenty of streamers out there. But yeah, how the fuck do I get stopped out every single time like that? Every single time. You wanna see? This is yesterday. Same exact thing. Get stopped out, reverses. Get stopped out, reverses. Get stopped out. I get stopped out, reverses. How does this happen every single time? Like, why does the market go just that little extra? I'd love to blame the market, but I can't. I can't blame the market. There's no way for me to blame the market because this happened overnight. Literally happened overnight where I just have no confidence. So every time people say the market conditions change and I can't trade, I feel like sometimes they are using an excuse for their poor trading. I am just not trading well, and I'm trying to understand why this is happening. Like, what am I doing wrong that I get literally stopped out and it goes against me enough to stop me out on my max stop, and then it reverses every single time. I could go through from I think it was from February 27th, from May 27th, around that time. It's been happening every single day pretty much at some point capacity, which is causing me to lose accounts when I'm actually right on the idea. It's just now the trade's not going to work, right? It's a loss instead of being a win. And initially I was using tight stop losses, right? So you might ask why am I using such wide stops? Because I was using, earlier in the month, I was using very tight stop losses and I was getting stopped out and then would reverse. So I'm trying to give it room now and it's still not working. So it's kind of weird. Okay, if you want to use ATR for how big the stop needs to be. Okay, so 53 points. So I was just about there, but yeah. That could be, but then I have to, I don't know. But see how it's reversing. Like my idea shorting was a great idea. It's just, it didn't work. So because of my stop, the idea was right. So I'm not that far off. And I talk about this all the time, how little of a change you need to make a profitable strategy work. Versus not work. I see some people on social media that are always struggling. They can't get payouts and they trade very protective of their accounts and they just can't get payouts. And I feel like that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm just trading really badly because I'm just trying to be, I don't know, protective and scared. But look at that reversal. I mean, it's a thing of beauty. I'm actually going to send that to Akala because I sent this to him yesterday. And I just got to show him that too. The only thing is I said I'm going to re-enter and I never did. I don't know what made me not re-enter, but I'm not saying 80-20 is not working. I've not said that one time. I'm not telling Okala, hey, your strategy is not working. I talk to Okala all the time, and when he struggles, he tells me. When I struggle, I tell him, and I've been telling him I am just at loss for words right now. I'm getting pretty much dead on stopped out, and this was a fucking perfect example. Again, there's nothing I could do but laugh about it. Because we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. Probably at 6:20. I'm thinking we're gonna do the same exact thing. Watch how we're gonna get stopped. But oh yeah, you have to be aggressive with prop firms. Otherwise you're just wasting time. I mean, if you're trading to learn how to trade and you're not looking to make money, then do whatever you want. But if you're looking to make money and you're trying to actually improve your life from trading, then you got to be a little bit aggressive. I mean, but there's a comfort level to it. I would love to be as aggressive as Akala is. I would love to be as aggressive as Lanto is. I just can't. That's not me. So maybe one day, but for now, I just can't do that. It's mental. It has no. I could risk $25,000 right now and not really care that much, right? Of real money. I've been self-employed for 10 years. I've been making good money for over 10 years now. So $25,000. If I lost it right now and you took it out of my bank, I probably would not notice. And I'm blessed to say that. Yeah, I still can't risk a $200 funded account and just let it go. Once I'm up to $3,000, I can't mentally let it go. You know, it's at some point it just becomes a mental thing. It has nothing to do with finances or anything. It just becomes a game. Yeah, I'm rich. I'm a millionaire, so I'm worked my ass off for that. So I don't flex that in real life, as in like, I have my car, but that's not even the car I could buy. You know, it could be a GT3 RS, could be a Ferrari, could be a Lambo, it could be, you know, I bought a car that's I was able to pay cash for and not really, same thing, not really feel it. Obviously, you feel it, that amount you feel, but I'm saying not in the sense like I'm not worried about the car. My parents are more worried about my car than. I mean, I broke my windshield on the car in the first 3 months of owning it. You think I was just like, well, that's great. Well, that's pretty funny that we got stopped there. In which industry did you make the most money? DJing, for sure. Been DJ for 20 years, so. No, I can't see when you subscribe. Nope, doesn't tell me that. Damn, another 620 miss. That's fucking crazy, guys. See, like, I just can't catch a break. I just can't catch a break. I wanted to see it reactive 620 and just didn't. And now it's bouncing 60, 70 points. And I'm just saying, like, it's the little differences in life that are going to make you profitable or not. So just got to laugh at it sometimes. And this is the reality of 99.9% of people that are trading. Everyone that you guys see in the chats, right? Most people are not making money. Whether you are in, you know, big streams, smaller streams, doesn't matter. 99% of the chat is not making money. So this is the reality of everyone's trading. This is why I like to show the good and the bad and talk about it. Like, have a conversation about it, the way I feel about it, you know, and not try to make it seem like it's the market or not. It's just little differences. Literally, I don't enter here. I just enter there first. We are golden. I enter here, probably don't even have to enter right there. So it's like those little differences. I mean, these accounts have to get blown so I could mentally reset. I think that's what it's coming down to. And I'm saying this from experience. This happened to me in September. This happened to me in March of 2025. Yeah, March of 2025. Sometimes you just have to like lose accounts, completely reset mentally from scratch. Because right now I feel like these accounts maybe are cursed. I don't know. I don't know why I can't make any money on these accounts. Like, why am I getting stopped out right there, right? That's what I always want to just figure out. If I don't use a stop at all, then it will go just enough higher to blow the account and then reverse. So it doesn't matter what I do. It's just gonna, it seems like it's gonna go enough to stop me out. But we got a couple more trades in these accounts. So I'll be patient here. Hopefully we could get 580s at this point. But yet the reality is most people are not making money, guys. So it's okay. It's a tough business. Trading is never easy. This is why I don't recommend trading to anyone I know. If someone does not get into trading, without their own like passion for it, I never recommend it for anyone. Pinball, yeah, of course. In your opinion, do you think that most influencers make more money from affiliates than actual trading? Yes. Well, that's not their fault. I mean, there's some influencers out there. There's some influencers out there that started YouTube because of the money you can make in affiliates, which I don't blame them. I used to encourage it. I encouraged everyone. I started streaming consistently because I used to post more content than stream, and then I would stream it regularly. And when I decided to stream, I told people, if you are trading from home and you're not working from home, as in like, you're trading and working at the same time. So if you have time to do it, start a YouTube channel. And a bunch of people did. Some continued with it, some didn't. But if you have any sort of following on YouTube, because that's not easy to do. It's like payouts. They're hard to get. You can make, 5 figures a month. Between all the prop firms. It depends. It depends on the prop firm. Depends on your user base. Like with TRADEIFY, TRADEIFY is one of the top prop firms. And I don't know if I've ever had a $2,000 month with them. It's oversaturated, but I mean, that's YouTube. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Everything comes and goes. It's like streaming video games. It used to be just few main streamers. Now, maybe not now, but a couple years ago, streaming became so popular that everyone became a streamer. And some people make good money and some people can't make any money. So all depends. It's harder to get affiliate codes now, yes. Which is one way for prop firms to protect the saturation. And the website development with AI, build a website with codes, and you can't just get a code now. Yep, gotta always keep pushing forward. A lot of people quit. They don't have any success early on. Consistency is a big thing. I said to myself, I won't copy trade accounts, and like here I am copy trading like a dummy. Oh well. All right, let's see what 580 does. How should someone start a YouTube channel related to trading? Make it entertainment, not educational. That's number one. Educational trading, you have to be really good at trading. There go the Bullnox accounts. Let's see if it gets stopped again the same way. Yep, we will. Except I'm not going to add the second contract till we are already on the way up from 520 or 500. And see if this works. Crazy how 580 worked a little overnight and didn't even flinch here. I'm going back to micros. I don't know what it is, but I'm having an issue getting my Lucid accounts to pay out. Yeah, same here. Just blew them today. Maybe that's when things will turn. I always have a curse with Lucid. Oh, so now it's gonna bounce perfectly. Please don't do that. Okay, so now we're in one contract. And we're still gonna hit the stop loss, watch. Okay, so we still hit the stop loss. So no matter what I did, see like, okay, maybe. Wow, it's such a painful Painful stop right there. What a joke this profession is. I hate myself more and more every day. Nah, it's not a joke. How would it be a joke? Oh, it's really hard, yeah. That's what makes it great. If it was easy, like I said, if it was easy, what do we say? We would be screwed in society. Plus, you wouldn't be able to make good money in trading because if everyone made money, it would split against everyone. So no one would be spending a lot and no one would be getting paid out a lot because there would be no money to get paid out from. Yeah, Sean, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, 400-point drop. And I got stopped out by 10 points. Unbelievable from the highs. Well, if you use a stop, gotta use a stop. If you are afraid of losing, you gotta use a stop, unfortunately. But stops sometimes don't protect, they also hurt. So I get that. I'm gonna go for that V-shaped reversal whenever I see it. Damn. Woo. She's melting now. Now she's melting on daily. Damn. No joke. Might get filled in here long. Oof, this is starting to look ugly. All right, let's see if it could survive. Nope. Needs to go right away. Can't go down. And it's going down. Needs to rip like 100 points right now, which is not that far off. 100 points is actually not that far. This is where I miss able to hedge evals. Perfect price action for hedging evals. Well, we are down to our final funded account. Good run. It was a good run. Might as well blow it too. 582. Might as well blow it as well. Crazy markets. Trend is your friend. Who knows what the trend is? Who knows what the trend is? It was up and now it's down, and this is down and then went up. So who the hell knows? Could just laugh about it. I'm laughing because obviously I had 3 really good months in a row. If I was struggling all year, this would not be funny. If I lost these accounts right before payouts, it would not be funny. All right, we got 2 wicks. How about we try to make like a crazy trade? If we get it, if we just happen to get one of those bounces like a V-shapes, just freaking go for like a $5,000-$6,000 trade. I don't think I've ever had one of those unfunded. All right, we're up 2, halfway. Come on, go. That really screw our consistency though. I'm gonna be screwed with that, but at least we'll have an account with a nice balance if this works. All right, 4,300 just so the balance doesn't get completely the consistency. Because let me see, this is an older account, so this could be uncapped payout territory. Let's see how many payouts I've had with this account. I don't have my phone on me. Wow, went an hour without a phone. I just want to show you guys something. I get bottom stopped again. Just clarifying. Just saying. Yep, this is uncapped payout account, guys. Let's go. No consistency. Oh, we should actually no. There's no consistency required for 6 payout onwards. Guys, we're good. We are good. We gotta. I'm on my 6th payout with this account, so that means if we get, we should be able to get 10,000 out of this account, hopefully. If we could just make some money. So that would make the month. That would make the month. Maybe I should go for like a I should go for like a $30,000 payout. I wonder if Apex would pay. This account could make our month. How many accounts did I start with today? You see all the accounts. We lost 1, 2. We lost 4 accounts. 2 evals. I'm actually gonna buy Bull Knox eval because Bull Knox evals we could YOLO. Buy some Bull Knox evals. Bullnox is $19, guys. Code Alpine, if you're interested. Activation's more expensive, but it's all about the cheap evals. Pretty sure you could still hedge Bullnox evals too. Which maybe I'll do. But the 50K accounts are just tough. Wow, about to make new lows again. Might be another good long. Bullnox is 10 days of trading to get a payout. Okay, I bought 3 evals. Let's see. Take profit trader. Do I want to activate? I have the free eval I could use. I really don't. Take profit trader needs 40% off. I'm gonna do 1 take profit trader. Yeah, it's $148 to activate Bullnox. So it's not the cheapest. But I'm just getting it because of the cheap evals. Don't have to worry about evals being expensive. And it's rhythmic, obviously, so doesn't work for everyone. Bullnox accounts didn't show up yet. I just got $4,100 from Apex today. That might be my final payout from May. But here's a perfect example of consistency. Like, yeah, I'm very happy to make $70,000 in May, but right now in hindsight, I would have rather have made $35,000 or $40,000 in May and $30,000 in June. Let's say if I don't, sorry, I just got a text. Let's say if I don't finish, if I don't make any money in June, which would be the first month. So hopefully this one account from Apex will get it. I mean, we just need 4 more $50 days, and how hard can it be? I kind of want to trade it more today too. If we get like a nice sell-off and a bounce. You will make money. I don't know. It's already 10th of June and I don't have any evals. When you have a good month, it's not the month, unless it's daily payouts, but it's usually not the month, It's not the current month you made money. It's the months prior that you had consistent gains, and then now it's just the fruits of the labor. What time is the World Cup opener? On Thursday. $3:00. Did they really make Canada and Bosnia as the opening game? All right. Market's taking a breather. I wouldn't mind one more big trade like that. I can't believe I made $4,000 in this little move. Pretty crazy. And then I get stopped out at the top here. That's annoying. Oh no. Damn, John. That drop got you. I mean, I could see it. I mean, 7,000 seems like a lot, but with this drop, damn, one contract's 10 grand. See if we could go a little bit lower. I mean, the daily is definitely looking like this could continue. Big support here, but $280 bounce. $280 bounce. $600 drop. And I got stopped at the top. Let's not forget. Moto Timo, yeah, I get you. I totally get you. I was trying not to get too confident. People were saying 100K month. I'm like, no. Every time I try to go for 100K month, but at least that curse is broken. I didn't go for 100K month and I still blew all but one of my accounts. This is the last one. But with this account, I could make a lot of money. I could treat this as a live account and try to take out like at least 10 grand from it. That would be nice. Wow. Melt. Melting, melting, melting. Nope, this looks still dangerously weak. Come on. Oh, I missed that. This could eat this balance really fast. Damn. Yeah, actually, we are fucking tanking hard. Damn, what a melt. 715 points. Sheesh. I'm gonna blow this account too. Didn't expect that to just continue like that. Especially since I haven't heard anyone say news. Oh, speaking of news, Jay just said something. Oh, did we just short? Did we just short this? Need at least a little bit of a bounce. Not to get any sort of bounce. This is just an absolute. This is gonna break the lows. I hope I could get out, break even, and just flip short and just hold it all day. I'm not gonna hold all day, but hold it for a little bit. This is going for the lows. It's gonna get ugly. Time to buy more stocks. Time to buy more stocks. Come on. Just another 50 points. You know, that's nothing for NQ. I'm tilting? What? When did I tilt? Please tell me. I'm losing, yes. Am I tilting? No. Come on. I was so close. I was so close. Can she go? It's gonna be a break even on that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. All right. All right. So we're like, that's like break even. So we have one contract basically. See if we could get this to $5,000. Come on, market. Just rip. Let's go to 250. Go. Miss K is back. I don't know what happened actually. I don't know the story behind it. Come on, a little bit more. Hmm. $250. It's all I want. Just so I don't get greedy later. Come on. Now we have a stop. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 250. That'll give us over $5,000 profit that we could withdraw in like 4 days. Well, not 4 days, but 4 more green days. 7 total days. Come on. What's another 20 points? Hey, market, my stop is at 250. I'm short. And my stop is at 250, market. Go. Just does not want to go. But once it actually takes me out, it's going to rip right to 320. It's going to rip right to 320 as soon as it takes me out. Come on. Come on. We have 5,000. My math was incorrect. Out. $5,100. $9,000 in profit. Oh yes, this account could make our month. That's uncapped payout. I'm not gonna push my luck anymore on this account. Well, got very lucky that this is the account that we have, because $700 straight down. Oh, I got top tick. Do you want to see? Who wants to see my top tick? Loss. Just for you know, just for reference. Pretty cool. But it's all right. Tyler, this account is uncapped. So I made $5,200 in it. And I'm able to take it out. I just need 4 more $50 days. Or I could grow this account to 20 or 30,000 and take it all out. Maybe I should do that. Just run it up. Run it up, and then I could reset my TPT accounts for free. It sounds like a great plan. I like when plan comes to tuition. Send it. Oh man, I haven't had a winning trade in so long. It felt so good. I felt great. My mood is much more improved. I'm ready to dance in the skid steer again. Oh, but yeah, I should just run it up. I should just wait for these huge moves and just freaking... Of course. That's what I meant, Tyler. I got one funded account left. What a sad June. Jeez, that's my sister's birthday today, too. My sister's birthday today. New lows. Daily is looking ugly. Man, this is a textbook H pattern. I don't want to look at my portfolio right now. Slowing down a little bit, but every time it makes that new leg. That's almost the same. Almost the same. Oh. I should switch over to some Bolnox evals right now. Let's see what happens. That'll be a great pass. Come on. Don't tease me like that. Are you kidding me? There we go. All right, pass one Bolnox eval. That was easy. $19. If I would have paid $80 for this eval, I would have blown it. That's why I hate. I'm going with this momentum. People say I don't like momentum trading. Well, I do. Boom. Oh, $20 short. Damn it. Easy to make $20. Easy. Come on. Oh, God. 5 ticks? Really, market? Couldn't give me 5 ticks? Okay, thank you, thank you. Gracias. Oh, man, I'm feeling these evals right now. Buy this dip. Go for it one more time. If I pass 343, that's going to be absolute. Nope. All right. 243 is not bad. My fund futures is good. You got nothing to worry about there. All right. Big sell off again. Let's switch over to TPT. Got one eval with TPT right now. Blue Sky, I've heard of them, yes. They've been around for a long time. Yeah, TPT is Blue Sky. I don't know if I ever used Blue Sky. I don't think so. Maybe one time, long time ago, but I can't recall. They have one account, I think. At least they used to. Damn, I don't know if I want to long this or wait. I think Trade Day has better potential than Blue Sky. Yeah, Alex. The problem with TPT is current. It's not a problem with TPT. Is the daily payouts are delayed, but that's only on Rhythmic. On Tradeovate, they're still fast, and it's temporary. It changes. They probably fired some people. Probably some people said, you know what, we're gonna work for funded seed instead. So yeah. Funded seed is new, so I don't know if they're better than anyone else. I don't know because I have not looked. They want to pay me though. Maybe now it's the time to take the money. Oh yeah, it's $5,000. They'll pay me $5,000 a month, at least for 1 month, to promote them. Maybe it's now. Now it's the time to do it. $5,000 and free accounts. Mm-hmm. MACD. I don't even know if I don't even know what MACD is. Never used it. No idea. Looks fine. I don't know what it does. And we're going for new lows. No bounce market. No bounce. Unbelievable. Seeing if we can make new lows. He's gonna be a Tyler's becoming a Snickers influencer. He wants to work for Snickers. He loves that Snickers bar. Contacts. I could be like a professional streamer with some shades on. Yeah. Miami vibes. Can't see shit out of these glasses. They're so dirty. These were very expensive, by the way. These are Ray-Bans from 7-Eleven. Paid $7 for them. Millionaire, baby. That's what millionaires do. They buy shades for $7. Joey, did you see Scott's in jail? Well, he's not in jail, but he got arrested for some kind of fraud or money laundering in 2021. Way before Fast Track. Guys all kind of messed up. Those were the days. Those were the days of fast track. People were like, why aren't you not trading with fast track? While I was trading with fast track behind the scenes. Then I got my payout approved. And then they shut down. So I was one of the reasons why they shut down. They couldn't afford to pay me. Forgot how much my payout was though. It was around 25 to 30,000. We're going for the lows of yesterday and Sunday. Sounds like a time to short and just hope to half pass this. See, I wish I could pass TPT in one day. I would freaking YOLO this short right now. Should we do it? Should I YOLO? I mean, it's got to go another like few points. Come on. Of course, I shorted at 20. So it's going to... Oh, God. I mean, that's all we need for half pass. Holy smokes. I might have to try to pass TPT evals. I mean, that's insane. That's barely a move. There you go. Half pass an eval. Buying another one. Well, I'm not buying. They're actually free, but I get 3 a month for free. Well, I'm gonna go for another one. Today is a good day to pass evals. The volatility is definitely... Isn't Lucid one day to pass? Yeah, I should try that. Yeah, it's the shades. I told you guys, you know, trading is it's very small details that matter. I could see the candlesticks better right now. I could see the downtrend. Long, short. Long, short. Easy. I have better vision. These are HD quality. You know, versus my blind ass can't see. QQQQ hits 1 week low. Great. Let's see. Do we get the second one? We're turning things around, boys. I mean, it might as well. It just keeps on dropping. Trading is easy, guys. I don't know why you guys make trading seem like it's the hardest thing. Easy. Don't overcomplicate it, guys. Go with the trend and YOLO with 15 contracts, and it's very easy. Coach Fred, damn. I should try that with my 2 Apex accounts that reached max payouts. How much drawdown do I have in those? Never mind. I don't even have $1 in drawdown. Wait, I have one with $34 in drawdown. Should try that. You know what? It's probably too late now. Wow, what a drop. Holy shit balls. Wow. It's tomorrow FOMC? Actually, I don't know. You didn't take the short? Oh, man. Easy. Man. Trading is easy. If you didn't take the short, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't. Just kidding. I'm being sarcastic, guys. This is a crazy market. All right, can we do 343 on these TPT evals? That would be something, but that's only halfway to pass. That's what sucks. I could have passed both those evals fully if that was allowed. That's why I hate consistency in evals, and I'd rather have consistency in the funded. I know I'm a small minority in that department, but I would much rather have consistency in the funded than in eval. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but I don't know why it affects me so much in evals. Well, we're back to $28,000 on NQ. Let's see if we break this low. 822. 822. I feel like this could bounce here, but we are gonna find out. Come on. No, so close. Damn it. I was so close. Well, I was very close, but didn't go. All right, well, we could reset this one. No, we can't reset till tomorrow. Damn it. 710. Actually, I have a reset. Well, it's $200 to reset, but I guess reset is better than. Oh, fuck! Of course it's gonna go. I think I have a free reset though in my Credits. Free test reset. Nope, I don't have that. Well, we passed 2 out of 3 bull and oxy vals, and then we got 2 out of 3 on TPT. That was a $10,000 loss right here. This market is insane. That little, that was $10,000. Just so you guys know. Just think of the potential you have on TPT. If you just one day just get it, you're feeling it. Obviously, we'll have to be on the pro account, but Pro Plus. Oh, it's 11:35 already. Oof, I gotta go soon. What do you mean you can't look at this? This is beautiful. Reminds me of small caps. The bounce is gonna be juicy. Don't know when. I'm gonna try with one of my Apex accounts that I have $34 left. I'm gonna try to send it. $35. Woke up late. Yeah, today was something else. Yeah, it must be nice, Tyler. Can't wait to get there again. Actually, today would be the perfect day to reset a TPT account. Too late now. I didn't think of it till now. Today is a day you could really just make 10 grand. My luck is I would lose it though. So 822 is the low of yesterday. See. All right, broke it. Actually, I already broke it before. I just noticed. Now, the low of that crazy day on Friday was 781. We break that. I have no idea what to say. We already had 1,000-point drop. All in at 780, double bottom. Even with the 25K TPT account, if you catch this move, you could really make some damage. Make 10 grand, and then you could take out 8,500. But you would have to just time it perfectly. But I'm going to be calling it a day here. I'm happy with the last few trades, and not sure what I could find it, shorting this, I don't know about that anymore. Long maybe, but that's kind of catching a falling knife, so I don't know about that anymore. And yeah, Pine Tree, how you doing? How's your month going? I haven't been able to tune in, but I just got some Bluetooth headphones, like construction headphones, so should be able to tune into your stream at 6 p.m., but only in my headphones, so I won't be active in the chat. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day, and yes, you should have the giveaway ready. Check your TPT account. You should. It was transferred over already. So go to checkout, create new, and then you should see a 50K credit. Yeah, Pine Tree. I have one account left that's funded. And it happens to be an uncapped payout account. So I'm going on to 6th payout with this account, luckily. Ended up making $5,200 in it because there's no consistency anymore once you are at 6th payout. And it's gonna make my month, hopefully. Hopefully I could get this over 10 grand, maybe 15, and request it. I should go for like 20,000, to be honest. And make my month. And then use that to reset TPT accounts. But yep, everything else has been horrible. I got top ticked. There. So ended up blowing the account here. But I was short. Like if I would have just not get stopped out there, I mean, it's just absolute unlucky. Pine Tree streams at nighttime, 6 p.m. How are we doing, market? All right, market's slowing down. I'm gonna no giveaway today. I'm slowing down, and so is the market. So happy with today. Some progress. There's a potential for, just got to focus on these two accounts with TPT and with and then one account with Apex, and we could really make something out of this month. I mean, it's a long ways, but I mean, if I make 10 grand this month, I'll be very happy because that's gonna be like a normal month. And I haven't really spent any money yet, so just holding on to what we have. Just bought a couple ball knocks evals. So I'll probably spend like $2,000 this month. So if I can make 10 grand, that's not gonna be bad. Bills will get paid. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.